Okay, as promised, here's a look at our next generation auto tuner here, built homebrew at N9KR. Very similar in design to our original prototype, but we've gone to some more automation here. The relay board is pre-populated, pre-built. We bought that on eBay for around $18, I believe. It uses the same 12-volt relays. They're non-latching 12-volt relays, 16 of them. We've gone to 6 inductors and 6 capacitors. And we changed the position of the inductor bank to the right-hand side here. The SWR circuit is the same as the prototype. It's actually mounted towards the back vertically instead of horizontally back here. Same circuit. The Arduino is the same Mega 2560 version. This main CPU over here, lots of pins available, digital and analog pins. We've gone to more memory on this. We're using more memory locations, so I've got up to 8 memory locations that we can pre-program with the best SWR, depending on our antenna and our transmitter needs. We maintain the same manual change between the high and the low Z configuration, and the software has been enhanced. We got just a little bit more sophisticated with our software, but it's still basically a pretty big hack from a guy in southern Indiana here to make it work. But we're happy with it. It works well. We'll change over and do a quick demo live of this unit so you can see it. Actually, let me do a light show here first. Fire it up one time, and then we'll run one scan so you can see the light show. This board actually has, the relay board actually does have the built-in small red LEDs, so you can see them go when we hit the scan, which looks like that. And if you look close, you can see the software running through the various combinations of inductors and capacitors there. Okay, so we're back on 30 meters again, and we have our latest version of the auto tuner at N9KR in our system now. It's in our system live, and let's put a little CW signal in there running about 11 watts at 2.0 on the SWR, and that's going into a 40 meter inverted V, and we're attempting to load that up on 30 meters here. So we got a 2.0 SWR. So let's see with our auto tuner if we can run a scan and pick up anything better SWR wise. Let's hit the scan and watch that meter bounce on the right hand side. That's actually the output signal at the antenna. See what we get. About 1.4 and 12 watts, so we did improve that, and same way as the other tuner, as the prototype, we can go ahead and hit our 30 meter setting, hold it, and that'll save that position for us for future reference for 30 meters with this particular antenna.